pussycat? Whoa, what's new, pussycat? Whoa, pussycat, pussycat, I've got flowers.
Now, but why? When you can get these. They're exactly the same brand name medications, but these cost a lot less because they're from 1-800-PET-MEDS. With 1-800-PET-MEDS, you save a trip to the vet too, because they're delivered free, right to your door, with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Millions of pet owners trust 1-800-PET-MEDS for fast service, free shipping, and big savings. Call now or order online at 1-800-PET-MEDS, America's largest pet pharmacy.
Yes, please.
Waiting for somebody? Your family? That's me.
How are you?
I'm Tom Gibbons.
I'm Maxine.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to Boston.
Thank you.
Right.